Let me show you how to create clipping mask in Photoshop. Go to Ellipse tool and draw an ellipse. Adjust the ellipse on the image. Drag the ellipse below the image. Create a clipping mask on the image layer. Ctrl+J for duplicate the image layer. Create a layer mask on the image layer. Move the brush on the desired area. Click on the ellipse layer. Go to the blending option. Add the drop shadow and stroke on the ellipse layer. Double-click on the ellipse layer. Change the color of the ellipse. Your effect is ready now. Hope you like this video.